Hello, welcome to my Etsy shop Artisenvibe. Thank you very much for your support and love from purchasing our digital product. First of all, click on any clip art you like. After clicking onto your favorite clip art, you will see the product title, product multiple images, and if product have video, you can also see that. Also, you can see your cart. You have two options to buy these product. The first option is directly check out with PayPal, and the second option is add to the basket. From that first, you have to add your product in basket and then you can buy, if you choose first option. After clicking on the first option, you will directly reach the second page. On second page, you can check out with two further option. First is with enter your email address of PayPal, or you can check out with debit or credit card. And from selecting your second option, it will give you all necessary information about product like your product title, product type information, like it is digital product or physical product amount, product sale or discount, right now. My product is on sale at a 50% discount, and your product total amount after the shop discount.
After purchasing the product, you will get a one-page PDF file.
Please open this file and you will get direct link to your product.
After open it, you can get a direct link to your product.
This is my thank you PDF to support me through your purchase below. You can see the big blue word link. Please click that link that say access your files by clicking here.
After this, you will directly reach to Google Drive, where you will get an image of your product, Artisenvibe star card, Artisenvibe thank you card, and you will receive a zip file. Please click on the download icon above the zip file in icon bar to download the zip file. After clicking the download icon, you will get a pop-up. Please allow the file to download on clicking on Download Anyway button, and from it will automatically download the zip file.
After done your download product zip file, please click on zip file for show in folder in your computer. Please select your zip file and click on the mouse, right-click, and select Extract Files option. And then click on OK button.
After, you will get a file of your purchase product, and in that you will get your purchase high-quality images.
If you like our product, please do not forget to give your lovely feedback by leaving a review on our store. These reviews help to grow our new Etsy store immensely. And you can click on Follow Shop button. From that, you can get our discount notification and new product notification. And if you have any suggestion or you want any similar product, please let me know in message box and we will reach you as soon as possible. And again, thank you so much for your purchases and for taking the time to leave such lovely reviews. I really appreciate your support and I'm so glad you enjoy shopping at my store. Thank you very much.